Ready to ditch the cold calls and unlock a goldmine of potential listings hiding in plain sight. First, let's fire up Kvcore and head over to the Smart CRM. This is where the magic happens. We are going to use this section to search FSBOs in your target area. Now, tap the lead engine tab, input your desired geographic area. Think specific neighborhoods, zip codes, the areas where you want to grow your business. You are going to want to specify residential properties only to avoid unwanted leads. Next, start adding FSBOs to your CRM. When you add a FSBO as a lead, be sure to add detailed notes about the property. You will want to start a specific tag for FSBOs so you can easily identify and group them within Kvcore. Time to kick your outreach into high gear with Kvcore's marketing autopilot. Build a targeted email campaign addressing common FSBO challenges like pricing strategies, marketing reach, and legal paperwork. Build a stunning landing page showcasing your expertise. Offer a free home valuation, a market analysis, or even a consultation. Make it irresistible for those FSBOs to learn more about how you can help them. Remember, FSBOs are often hesitant, but by providing value upfront, showcasing your expertise, and consistently following up through Kvcore, you'll be well on your way to turning these independent sellers into loyal clients. Good luck.